Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, uh, this is the second video of my LeetCode series, and in this video we are going to solve the second question on LeetCode. So basically, what this question says, we are having two non-negative integer. We are having a linked list of two non-negative integer basically, and each node contain a single digit that is positive and that is in range of 0 to 9. Our goal is to add the two linked list in a new linked list and return the newly created linked list. Okay, and the numbers are stored in a reversed manner. So if the number is 342, it will be stored as 243. If the number is 465, it is stored as 564. Okay, I hope we are clear till now. Okay, so let's quickly jump to the solution. So these are the helper function I have written to like run the code locally on my machine. First function, what it does, it convert a list to a linked list, and second function do the vice versa, convert a linked list to a Python list. Okay, so now what we have done, we have first created a class, basically the linked list class, and we have created a node here. So node is having like a value and a next section. Uh, as we learned in CPP and other programming languages, we are having a value node and we are having a next node. Okay, and so how we are approaching to the problem, we will be traversing to both the linked list by adding them and storing them into new linked list. So 5 plus 2 7, we will store that. 6 plus 4 will give us 10, so we will store only 0 and we will carry 1 to the next iteration, and in next iteration we will have 4 plus 3, that will give us 7, and 1 that was carry, we will take that in account, and our final answer will be 7 0 and 8. Okay, so that is the expected output. Let's see the code. To understand the code more efficiently, I have added some of the breakpoints here, not needed, but I have added into 2 3 4 lines. Okay, so let's get inside the code and jump inside. So as you can see, dummy is a head where we will initialize it from the 0th node, basically the first node, and we will start traversing. Current variable will help us to keep the track where we are currently, and these are the two linked list. So we are checking until and unless there are some data in the linked list 1 or some nodes in linked list 2, or there is any carry, we will continue the loop. We will take the numbers, we will sum the two numbers and the carry, and then we will take in account of the carry and the digit. Okay, so the digit we will be storing in the new linked list node, and we will be moving to the next. Okay, so if we are having more nodes in linked list, we will move to the next node, and if we are having more nodes in the linked list 2, we will move to the next node also. Okay, and we will continue the loop. Theoretically it's a bit hard to understand, so let's go stepwise. Okay, so our first linked list contains 243 and the second linked list contains 564. Okay, dummy is our head, so we are currently here. Okay, and our sorry, I should have clicked on step over, no worries. Okay, so current should be our it's basically a pointer which is currently telling where are we when initializing. So currently both are at the same position here. Okay, at the first element of the linked list, and the carry, initially the carry is 0, which is should be. Then we are converting Python list to linked list, and we are going inside the loop. We have taken the first two numbers in x and y. So in x we got 2, Let me scroll a bit. Okay, so we got x, in we got 2, and in y we got 5. Okay, now we are doing the calculation. So as you can see, in carry we got 0, because when we will adding the first two elements, that is 2 plus 4, we will be not getting any carry. Okay, let me copy this line above. It will help us to refer when we want. Okay, so I will paste it here some. Okay, okay, yes. So in the first element you can see the carry should be 0, because 5 plus 2 will not give us any carry, and the digit will be the 7. So the addition value which we will be getting is 7. Okay, now we are storing the digit 7 in the new linked list, and we are moving to the next node. Okay, we are moving to the next node of all the three linked lists, the one which we are creating just now and the one which we are having. Okay, so we will go to the second iteration. In this way, the value of x, y will be 6 and 4. Okay, and the total we will be getting 10. So as you can see, total we are getting 10. Now in this, our carry will be 1 and the digit will be 0. Okay, so now we will be storing 0 in the our newly created linked list. So we have till now what we have done, uh, we are having 7 there in our new linked list, and then we are adding 0. Okay, currently now we will move to the next node, and next node of all the linked lists. Again we came to the last element, that is 3 and 4. So we will add 3 and 4. Okay, so as you can see, in x and y we got 3 and 4. So we are having 3 and 4, and carry value is 1. So we will get the answer as 8. Okay, and there will be no carry. So as you can see, carry is 0 and the digit is 8. Now we will be storing 8 in our linked list. So I will write it here, 8, and we will traverse to the next node, but we will not add anything because we don't have anything to add, and there is no more nodes in list 1. Okay, and there is no mode in list 2, and we will return the final linked list, that is 708. Okay, so that is how so if you check the value of a, step over, if you check the value of a, the value of a is 708. Okay, hope you understood this solution. So what I have done, I have written some of the test cases. You can go ahead on my GitHub account and see this test cases. You can add your own and you can run this. Okay, hope you like the video.